Apple has made a reputation for prioritizing privacy, and that could be a major pillar of its revamped Siri experience launching with iOS 27 later this year. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to a new report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is planning a feature for the new Siri app that would auto-delete chats after a set period of time. Now you'll be able to adjust the settings for the new Siri app to keep chats for 30 days, 1 year, or forever, just like it's already available for iMessage chats. This will make Siri slightly different from how chatbots from other companies work, as they manually require you to delete chats or affirmatively start a chat in an incognito mode to cut them off from storage and model training. Gurman points that the new Siri could still launch with a beta label when it ships with iOS 27. Siri originally launched in 2011 and was tagged as beta to signify that the experience would continue to evolve. However, this time, the experience has already been delayed for 2 years since Apple first announced an AI overhaul for Siri's capabilities at WWDC 2024. Apple may also be looking to boost Genmoji usage with iOS 27, as the company is planning to add a suggested Genmoji option on the iOS keyboard. This would create suggested Genmoji created from your photos and your commonly typed phrases according to the description attached to a new toggle in the iOS 27 keyboard settings. All of these updates are expected to be revealed at WWDC 2026, Apple's annual developer conference, and the iOS 27 is expected to launch to customers with this year's new iPhones this fall. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.